Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to upload or publish your ASP.NET web application on Microsoft Azure using Visual Studio. Okay, so let's start. First, open your Visual Studio app. Then you can create a new project or you can open your existing project or website. In my case, I have already created some website. Let me select this. Open this. Okay, in a new tab, let me open my Azure account also. Okay. Okay, so you can see this is my Azure account. Right now I have no web app or any database on my dashboard. So let's start to create how to create a web app or app service. Click on this app service, then click on this add button. Okay, you can see there is a lot of things like web app plus SQL or WordPress. You can create according to your requirement. For me, let me choose this one. Okay, let's create it. Give a meaningful name to your web app. Let me give a meaningful name. But before giving me a name, let's switch to Visual Studio. So here my project name is Umang International University. So for me, a meaningful name is Umang International University. Okay, so this name is available. Okay, so resource group, you can create a resource group. Resource group is like something your company name, so you can uniquely identify your list of web app or list of databases. I can use existing one also use, but for now let's create a new one. Okay, so create. No, Umang 123 is not available. Let me choose Umang 1234. Okay, Umang 123 is available, so let's create it. So when you create it, it shows submitting deployment. After submitting deployment, after the process is complete, it will come on your dashboard. So you can see still submitting. Okay, so first build website. Remember, always build website your before publishing. Okay. Still deployment is progress. Okay. So when you select your project and click on this public website, then you can also create a web app from here. Like if I put something Gaurav11, so this name is also available, so I can also create a web app from here on Azure. From now we don't want this, so cancel this, add windows, I can download subscription files, so it will give me a list of a web app available on my Azure account. So let's download subscription file. When I click on it, it will open a new window. Oh, there is a problem. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so you can download it from here. Oh shit, I think it's already downloaded. So you can see this deployment is succeeded. So when you go to your web app service, you can see Umang International University. When you click on it, you can see here is your URL is generated, your FTP deployment username. You can set your user ID password for deployment from this section, deployment credential. Like you can set any password. Or you can save it from here. So now when I download the file from Visual Studio, it will come here. Why should it come always here? Okay, no need to do this. So it needs to be republished. Let me republish. Let me rebuild this. Okay, rebuild is succeeded. Okay, now let me publish this. I think it's still showing old data. Let me import new one. Click on this. Why it is common? Okay, no issue. I can browse it from download section. Okay, you can open it from here. It automatically import all the settings, credential settings, latest settings from your Azure account. When I add this and click on this, like look at this, Umang International University, it automatically come. And when I click on it and click on OK, it automatically set all the settings in this section. You have no need to do anything. So now when I publish, before publish I have some. Okay, so let me publish this. As you can see, when first time when we load this URL, hit this URL, then it will says that your app has been created. Mean still publish is on his way. Okay, let's wait for publish. Okay, so here is publish is finished. Okay, so now when we click on this URL, my site is coming. So now switch to Azure, click on Microsoft Azure. Okay, here you can see the detail of my application. It's requested and errors, it's requested 9 times. Good. So here is also option I can stop my site, stop your site. When now I click on this, This will service. This web is stopped. Okay, I can restart it. Okay, so again my site is available, is visible. So in this session we learned that how to create a web app on Azure and how to publish it from Visual Studio. If you have any query, you can ask me on patwa.zen@yahoo.com, or you can ask your query on comment section. Okay, in my next video, I will discuss how to upload or how to create a SQL server on Azure and create a SQL database. Okay, thanks for watching this video.